Welcome to B-More-News.com. Granville Templeton, how does it feel to be the new president of the Monumental City Bar Association?
It was great. We have a lot of work we have to do. Thank you for coming out, Donnie. B-More-News.com. Thank you for supporting.
Good deal, good deal.
Good job, man. We do the best we can.
Well, this is a video here. Chief Judge Robert Valve and Anthony Butler. We have a great man in charge now, Granville Templeton.
No question about that. I buy that. I mean, after all, did you hear what I said about it?
I heard what you said.
Okay.
I just want to know about the necktie.
Oh, no.
That's a statement.
No. I got that necktie you can have.
Okay, but the bow tie?
But if you can tie it,
Not a clip-on.
I can tie it. I can tie a tie.
I lied.
I'm a Morehouse. Much love to you for all you do. Anthony Butler, any comments on your dear friend Granville Templeton?
You know, it's been a great year. Granville has been a great president-elect. He'll be a great president.
Good deal. Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you, sir.
Good deal. Hey, Steve, any thoughts on your boy Granville?
What's that?
Any thoughts on Granville?
It's gonna be a big year.
Okay. Good deal. Keep doing a good job at the state's attorney. Hold tight. You got a comment? This is a video, you do know.
Okay. No, that 1964 picture, man, I never seen that before. That's a Hall of Fame, man.
Which one? One on the left there? Oh, we got a close-up of them. Which one is Elijah?
No, yeah, that should be the one that Elijah.
Well, there's Elijah Cummings right there. Okay, we want to get back to some of these.
There you go.
Judge, any thoughts on Granville Templeton?
Oh, he's a wonderful man, So good man to lead toward the future.
Okay, good deal. Thank you.
No.
We have to come to you, sir. This is your house. Any thoughts? This is a video. Mr. Sean Murphy.
I am so happy to have